This video tutorial I will explain toPattern method of SimpleDateFormat class. Here I have defined the class SimpleDateFormatDemo. Here I have created a SimpleDateFormat object using getDateInstance method of dateFormat class. Then I am calling toPattern method of SimpleDateFormat object, and this method returns pattern associated with this object. This is the pattern. Here I have created a SimpleDateFormat object using getDateTimeInstance method of dateFormat class. Then I am calling toPattern method. This method returns the pattern, and here is the pattern. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.